Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to recreate a look from James Charles, Sister James if you watch him on YouTube. And I really like this look. He took it from Mama Mitchell, who is a UK makeup artist. And I really love the colors and I just thought it was like so pretty. So I'm gonna take this look and I'm gonna try to recreate it. I will link, if I can, this is a new YouTube channel. For some reason I can't get comments. I don't know if I can tag. So I'm gonna do my best. His name is James Charles. You need to check him out. He's awesome. He's so funny. And if you wanna see how I recreate the Mama Mitchell / James Charles look, then keep on watching. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime, and I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup. It's like a blur stick, and it just like gets in the pores. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with some foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Hourglass Vanishing Stick in Warm Ivory. I love this foundation. It is amazing. And I'm just gonna buff it out with the Morphe M439. Now that we got our foundation in place, I'm gonna be taking the best concealer in the world, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape. If you love makeup, even if you don't have an addiction to makeup or am like, you know, obsessed like I am, or a lot of people in the world, you know what Tarte Shape Tape is. It's the best concealer. Okay. Next step, we're gonna set and bake a little bit under our under eyes, and we're gonna be using my favorite of all time. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to take this Morphe contouring brush. I'm just gonna pack it in there and just set my under eye. I'm gonna bake down my nose too. We're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette because it has every single color that I need to try and recreate this look. If you hear some sounds in the background, that is my little robot vacuum, so don't mind him. I'm going to be taking the Morphe M573 blending brush, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here, this little yellowish color. And I'm gonna be using that as my transition. Just wanna blend it above my crease. I like to push my head back a little bit to do this because I kind of have hooded eyes, and I just wanna drag this out. And just lightly blend it out. I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm gonna go in with this dark reddish color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go right under it. And we're just gonna blend them together. down. You just want to make sure the outer corner is darker than the inside corner. Sometimes I feel like everybody's eyelids have more space than mine. I feel like I have no space in my eyelids. It's so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take, oh, excuse me. I'm gonna be taking the E18 brush and I'm gonna be taking this purple shade from the palette. I don't know if you can see it, hold on. Hold on, let me get myself situated. I'm gonna be taking this purple shade right here, this bluish purple and this purple, and I'm gonna just take it and pat it on the outside of my eye. I just want to pat it so that it's nice and pigmented. And you see, I baked my under eye so that I can get the fallout and then I could just wipe it away. It's the best trick on the planet. So you just want to go in little by little with this purple shade. One day I'll get new cameras and new lighting, but for now, you see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna just pull that in. I wanna leave space here for the bluish color that he used in his picture. I'm gonna take that blue shade and I'm gonna use this, it's got a little gold on it. It's a concealer brush. I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it. And actually, let me dip it in here first. I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it. I'm gonna use this bluish shade. I'm gonna go in the inner corner. Ooh, that's a nice blue. I think I used this before in one of my Instagrams. Don't remember. You just want to have them connect. I'm going to be using this little glitter right here. It has some different color reflexes on it. And I'm going to take this little Luxie brush and I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on it so that I don't get it everywhere. And I'm just going to pat that on the blue where he did. I think he did some over here in the inner corner. I am not one for glitter, but you know what? This is fun. For contouring, we're gonna go in with my favorite of all time, the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And I'm gonna take this No Name brush and I'm gonna go in with the middle color. I think you guys can tell that I love this color. I'm just gonna go in with both of these. Just bronze my face. Perfect. We're gonna take the Huda Beauty. This is the 3D light palette. We're gonna take the color Santorini and the color Capri, and we're gonna mix both and put that on our cheekbones. I'm gonna be using, where is my highlighting brush? Highlighting brush. Here we go. This is the Morphe M501 brush. I'm just gonna mix these two together. So, so pretty. Our highlight is laid. We are gonna go back in with that brush and we're gonna just, this is the E18, and we're just gonna drag it under our lash line. Pull it over. Gonna buff that out so it connects. All right, you guys, so now that my eyebrows are back, just gonna do a little bit of mascara with my Maybelline Temptation. Jeez, I forgot to set my face first. That's okay, we'll just let this dry. Jaclyn Hill palette, it's right here at the top, this light color. Ooh. I think there's a little blender at the end, that's too harsh. For lips, we're gonna be using the Huda Beauty, it's the Sugar Mama liquid lipstick. Gonna set our face with a little Fix Plus. All right, that completes this look, you guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked me. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty and the Beats. You could go comment over there. I will try my best to get the comment section up on my channel. But for now, head over to my Instagram channel. Send me some DMs, send me some comments, tell me what you want to see. And I thank you guys for coming and watching my videos. I hope you really enjoy them. Please subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, tell all your friends, and I will see you in my next video.